Moose hunting high in the Colorado Rockies. We hiked 6.5 miles this morning. We're hungry. We just got back to the truck. Everything's set up at the campsite. We're gonna make a delicious sausage sandwich, and I'm gonna show you a few of the brand new Blackstone camping accessories. Blackstone Hunting Club. Anybody else have a trapper keeper back in the 1980s? A beautiful aspen leaf just fell on the griddle. I didn't realize, yes, it is garlic bread.
Let's give it a try.
We're set up just off the tailgate with the Blackstone camping griddle, smoked jalapeno, cheddar, bratwurst, bison, and pork. We're gonna use some of the new accessories today, so I left them in the packaging. Let's check out the new 6-piece camping kit. Handy little case, reminds me of the trapper keeper back in the day. Anybody else have a trapper keeper back in the 1980s? Inside, what do we have here? 6 pieces, including the case, the organizer, a really cool can opener, a carrot peeler, a little potato peeler, a cheese grater, an adventure-ready chef's knife, and a cutting board. We will definitely use the chef's knife as well as the cutting board. Picked up a loaf of garlic bread at the local grocery store. How are we gonna do this? It's cut different than I thought it would be. I'm already having to think on the fly. I didn't realize, yes, it is garlic bread, so I can't use my traditional better buns cut. We'll figure something out. Let's toast up that garlic bread. When I'm filming on the road, I'll often do doubles, extra, redundancy, so 2 loaves. We're gonna figure something out here. You gotta check out the aspen leaves. We're up here at the absolute precipice, the apex of yellow color. It's gorgeous. I grew up in Pennsylvania. You know, we had the hardwoods. We had hickory and oak and maple. But out here in Colorado, up here in the high country, predominantly the deciduous tree is going to be an aspen tree. You'll see other things like cottonwood here and there, but predominantly aspen. They call them quaking aspen because when the leaves get real brittle, they actually quake in the wind. They almost sound like a cornflake sometimes when the leaves get ready to fall off and the wind hits them. It's been a few minutes. Let's check out the bread and see what we're working with. That looks really nice. Easy peasy cleaning the camp griddles. They have these little scrapers, but I would hesitate to even call it a scraper because it's non-stick and you're basically just pushing that off. It's like an ice skating rink. It's so slick. Okay, I think I figured this out. We're gonna put these side by side. It's gonna be a camper special. I'm guessing we can cut these loaves of bread in 2 and set them aside for now. Let's crack into these bad boys. Back that temperature down to low. Travel bottle of avocado oil. I take my avocado oil with me everywhere I go. Down on the griddle top in that beautiful avocado oil. Blackstone Essential Blend. Basically salt, pepper, and garlic. The essentials. And I just started opening this. I realized I have to show it to you. Blackstone's brand new camping toolkit. It comes with a scraper, a really nice serving spoon, and something that we are gonna need for the sausages. Tongs, made especially for the camping griddle. I always recommend tongs for sausages, hot dogs, because you can slow roll these babies. I recommend low and slow and turn the sausage. Look at this, look at this, look at this. A beautiful aspen leaf just fell on the griddle. Should be able to pick that off with my tongs. Low and slow with sausages. And I brought the kraut. I used to throw my kraut down on the griddle and warm it up. And I was watching one of the Bobby approved videos one day. Let me know if you watch the Bobby videos. And he was saying you never want to heat this stuff up if you're using it for its prebiotic properties. So we're gonna eat it cold. Don't take nutritional advice from me. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm just a guy that likes to cook and show off fun times in the Rocky Mountains. Check out the kraut. Oh, yeah. I wish you were here. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever been to the Rocky Mountains. Have you ever been on a backcountry trip somewhere in the western US? Could be Alaska. You can always put your bread back on if you need to make sure it's warm. Get that bread ready. Start with some mustard. Mustard on the bottom, little something like that. Grab those beautiful jalapeno bison sausages, which are hot as all get out, so be careful. This is gonna be a hearty meal. I recommend hiking 6.5 miles in the Rockies before you eat this. Those sausages are just glistening in the Colorado sunshine. Another new Blackstone camping item. I'll rip these out of the packages before I left the house, so I don't remember the exact name. It is a camp cutlery set. Check it out. Blackstone fork, spoon, and table knife. Should be just the tool I need to get my kraut out. A big helping of kraut on top of the sausages. Oh my goodness, do these ever look good. Next level food at the campsite, and a little mustard on top as well. Somebody's gonna comment that we need cheese, but there's cheese in the sausage. Only thing left to do is put the crown on top. Colorado campsite cuisine. And take a look at that. Got your carbs and you've got your protein. Wow, that sure beats peanut butter and jelly. Eating like mountain kings today. We had to cut them in two because I don't think we could have eaten a full one. Gotta unlock my jaw. Give it a try. No recipe, it's just camp cooking with what we had on hand. There you go, it's that easy. My goal with this video wasn't to show you a recipe that you needed to watch and, oh, try some new ingredients. No, the fun of cooking in the Rocky Mountains, man. That's what got me excited about cooking on a Blackstone griddle 13 years ago for the first time. And you can do the same thing. You can pick up a camping griddle just like that one at Walmart in the camping aisle. All those new camping accessories are at blackstoneproducts.com. Make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network. I'd appreciate a thumbs up or a comment down below. Subscribe and click that bell icon. Until next time, from here in the Rocky Mountains, praise the Lord and pass the food. It's the food.